Since Kobe Bryant's tragic passing in January 2020, his legacy has been celebrated through numerous tributes, including continued collaborations with Nike Incorporated. One such effort includes a new pair of Air Force 1 Low sneakers, set to release in fall 2025 under the Mamba Mentality banner. These pairs reimagine Bruce Kilgore's iconic design with tonal court purple and white colorways, emphasizing simplicity and sophistication. Faux Mamba scales on the uppers pay homage to Bryant's nickname, while lace dubraes nod to his enduring legacy. In a further tribute, his jersey numbers replace traditional Nike branding on the Achilles heel. Both pairs also feature coordinated soles that complement the top half's palette. Though official images and release information for the Air Force 1 Low pair have yet to be announced by Nike.com, sneaker fans can preview the court purple version now and anticipate a deeper celebration of Kobe's influence in the months ahead.